Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Following that, scroll down again, click on font size, and swipe left or right on this slider to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finish, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!